How to fix Instagram filters. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram filters or effects not showing or glitching. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix it in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is just open the settings on your phone like this, and then go to the apps manager, go to apps, go to Instagram between all the apps, and then here on this page you will find the app informations as you can see. Or what you have to do here is very simple. So just click here on the storage, click on clear data, and then go back, click on force stop, and then go to the data usage again here, and make sure to enable all those options right here from the first one to the last one like this, and then turn off your phone and turn it on again, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.